First, we would like to make the measuring equipment of this project. In this second tune, we will study the circuit diagram of the project prior to producing the measuring equipment. Let us assemble a wind speed, temperature, and humidity sensor to the Arduino and create a related circuit. Hey, Jonathan. Please continue.
Let's look at the circuit diagram and related components. First, we will use the Arduino Uno board, which is the most basic of many different Arduino products. Let's connect two wind speed sensors to measure wind speed at 1 meter and 3 meters in height. The wind speed sensor, we call it an anemometer, take the power of 16 to 20 volts from an external power supply. It will generate a current signal according to the wind speed while the wing rotates by wind, and continue to send the value of these changes to the Arduino. To provide a 16 to 20 volt power to the wind speed sensor, connect the external power supply to the breadboard and connect this power source and ground to both anemometers. The analog current result measured at a 3 meters height anemometer is transmitted to A1 analog port of the Arduino board, and the analog current result measured at 1 meter height anemometer is transmitted to the A0 analog pin. The temperature and humidity sensor use a 5-volt power supply from the Arduino. It connected to the power source of the Arduino and the ground port, and the measured result is passed to D4, one of the digital ports. Now, let's look at the Arduino diagram and see the configuration again. The analog wind signal generated by two anemometers is entered in A0 and A1 terminal port. Arduino provides power and grounding to temperature and humidity sensor, while temperature and humidity results are entered into digital port D4. Well, so far, I've summarized the project circuit structure. Next time, we will take a look at specification of wind speed sensor, temperature humidity sensor, and external power supply component. See you next time. If you want to get more information, please visit my Creapo site. And if you want to get full article and script about this movie clip, please visit my blog site. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press like button if you like to support better work. Thank you very much.